Hello viewers, welcome to Meghast India. Today we are introducing a tally module which can be a very valuable part for a business where most of the sales are done by the salesman. So let's start the salesman module. So you can see the window. In Gateway of Tally we have added a new menu named Salesman. You can see here. By going inside, you can see we can create the masters of salesman, similar to we can create in debtors and creditors. Let's create a master here. Name Ram, mobile number, email ID, and then address. Let's save it. You can display an alter as well. Just to save the time, I have already added few salesmen. You can see the list as well. Now let's create a voucher by the name. You can see here the list of the salesmen. You can select as per requirement. Let's select Priya. An item we'll select. We'll add the item quantity, rate, and now we'll save the bill. Let's create a receipt as well by the same name. Suppose we have received 1000 rupees against the bill, and you can see the salesman will be shown automatically here. You no need to mention that which salesman has sold that product to like this company. So let's go further. Let's save it. What we have done, that we have entered an invoice and we have entered a receipt as well. So let's go to the report section. In display you will see a salesman report part. By entering in it, you can see 5 different kind of reports are there: item wise sales, salesman wise sales, salesman wise receipt outstanding, and customer and salesman wise. All of them are different but very useful as well. First one will enter item wise sales, in which you can see salesman wise records are there, that which salesman has sold which item to any particular debtor. You can select and enter, and you will see that which salesman has sold 12 ply, and every record will be there, in which you will see voucher number and records as well. You, by entering in it, you will see the purchase voucher will display, and you can alter as well, which is very important. It's not a display report only, you can enter, you can alter, and everything you can do there. By saving that, now let's go to the second report, salesman by sales. By the name you can judge that it's a report in which you can see the total sales figure done by any salesman. Manoj ji has sold 7,61,961 rupees sales, and you can see that to whom he has sold, like Amit and Shri Ganesh. So these are the debtors, he has sold the products and the sales belongs to him. By going there, you can see the leading salesman as well. So let's go to the salesman wise receipt, in which you will see that which customer of any salesman has paid and the pending amount as well. This is the total receipt of Manoj ji, and Jayant, Vivek, and everyone. Now let's go to the next report, outstandings. By the name you can judge that the outstanding amount of any debtor of any salesman you can see there, in which you can see 4,90,000 rupees are pending, which belongs to Manoj G's customer, and similarly the other salesman also having the pending amount. Let's see. Let's go to the next report. This is the last one, customer and salesman wise report. So this is a report in which you can see everything all together. What it means, that you can see the individual records of the salesman, date wise, salesman wise, and the pending amount as well. So this was the last report. So that was it. Thank you.
ये भी रिकॉर्ड